now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. They just released, well, I'm lying. This is a day early. Nike released these a while ago, but shipping with all this craziness has kind of delayed everything. So these will be releasing tomorrow. We got the Royal Toe Jordan 1, and it's a new Jordan 1. We haven't seen it before. And I honestly have mixed emotions about this shoe. I really don't like the white right there. I don't know. I really like the Royal ones, but this shoe hasn't done much for me, honestly. I still have a DS pair of Royal ones sitting here, and I don't know. The white right here and the white on the little insignia or whatever, I'm not a huge fan. It kind of looks like a weird custom that someone might do or something like that. And I'm sure people might just buy that and then black it out and make it like a Royal one. But, and this is just a Royal one. They don't say anything about the game Royal. So as you can tell, it's kind of like a lighter shade. And this one's darker. I don't know. I don't really know how to feel about it. I'm not a huge fan, but this is the shoe that is releasing tomorrow. Yeah, and I hope everyone's able to cop. I know not a lot of malls are open. Some stores are opening. Some stores are letting you come in and buy different releases. So just let me know if you are able to cop. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look of the shoe that is releasing tomorrow. We'll catch you on the next one.